Friends, just grate the potatoes, that's going to be the base for our muffins. And the filling is a special Italian-style eggplant mix. Keep watching to find out all the secrets. It's important to use fresh, firm potatoes. That's the foundation for a great dish. We are soaking the potatoes in water to remove the excess starch. This will make them crispy. I'm curious, do you usually soak your potatoes or skip this step? Now let's beat the egg. I usually add a pinch of salt and black pepper right away for extra flavor. We are mixing the potatoes with the egg. This helps everything hold together nicely. Grease the dish with oil so nothing sticks. What kind of oil do you usually use for baking? Now let's shape little cups with the mixture. Think of them as tiny nests for the filling. Take your time to shape each cup neatly and evenly. Into the oven they go for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can move on to the eggplant. It's best to slice the eggplants into rounds. This makes them easier to salt and season. Now let's dice it. Bigger pieces will stay juicy when we fry them. Let's saute the garlic. The smell always reminds me of cozy evenings in the kitchen. loves oil, so feel free to add more if needed. Cherry tomatoes will add sweetness and juiciness. I love using red ones for their vibrant color. In go the tomatoes. They'll bring a fresh taste to the dish. Let's add some salt. This step brings perfect balance to the sauté. Cottage cheese adds a creamy texture. Have you tried using it in hot dishes before? We are tearing the fresh basil. Its aroma is just incredible. Let's sprinkle some sesame seeds. They'll add crunch and a nutty flavor. Let's beat another egg and mix it in. It'll bind everything together. Now let's fill our potato cups with this delicious mixture. It's going to be so tasty. Let's top them with some cheese. Once it melts, we'll have a delicious golden crust. Do you prefer hard cheeses or something softer? Back into the oven for another 20 minutes. They're done. Try them out and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. By the way, I have another muffin recipe. I made it just a few videos ago. The link to that recipe will be in the description and pinned comment. I'd love it if you could check it out. And up next, I've got a bonus tartlet recipe for you. Let's start by cutting out circles from the bread. Using a mug is pretty handy, right? Now we are placing the bread into the mold to create little cups. Take your time, gently press the bread so it holds its shape. Fresh parsley will add a nice aroma and color to the dish. Garlic always brings such a rich flavor, doesn't it? We are mixing everything in a bowl now. This is the dressing for our tartlets. Add the oil to bring it all together and give it a good stir. Now, carefully spread our flavorful dressing onto the bread cups. The dressing will give the crispy tartlets a rich flavor. Pop the tartlets in the oven for 5 minutes. Lettuce leaves add a touch of freshness, making the snack lighter. Now we are boiling the eggs, such a great source of protein. Let them cool before grating so they don't fall apart. Grated eggs will make the filling soft and fluffy. Surimi sticks bring that delicious seafood flavor. We are slicing them into thin strips for easy eating. Garlic again. It'll give the filling an extra burst of flavor. Now we are adding a bit of mayo to bring the ingredients together. Be careful not to overdo it. The mayo should just lightly bind everything. Mix it all together until it's nice and smooth. Grate some cheese. Add the cheese and give it another stir. The filling's getting even tastier. Now fill the tartlets with our mixture. Take your time and spread it evenly. Bell peppers add a pop of color and a nice crunch. We are topping the tartlets with the bell pepper strips. Look how bright and appetizing they are. And there you have it! Our tartlets are ready. Let me know how yours turned out in the comments. Thank you for watching. See ya!